Welcome to Expert SEM. In this series, we are going to see various supply chain knowledge terms. In this session, we are going to see a term called aggregate planning. It is a process to develop tactical plans to support the organization's business plan. Aggregate planning usually includes the development, analysis, and maintenance of plan for total sales, total production, targeted inventory, and targeted customer backlog for the families of product. The production plan is a result of aggregate planning process. Two approaches to aggregate planning exist. Number one is production planning and second one is sales and operation planning. In the planning hierarchy of supply chain management, we are starting with the strategic planning at the top, where we discuss about a long range planning. But when you come down, when we talk about business planning, here we are going to talk about product family planning across the business domain and decide the numbers required for a medium range. Okay, when we talk about strategic, it is for a long term, maybe 3 to 5 years. But when we talk about product family level, it is a mid-term level. Here we are going to talk about product families level. So the output from this process goes down where we do master production scheduling and MRP. You can see in the planning hierarchy from the top, strategic planning, where you have a long range planning and also the detail is much less, whereas when you go down, you can go to aggregate planning where it is a mid-term planning, and we are going to talk about product family level, and further down we are talking about component level planning, and it is for a short-term operational planning. Thanks for watching the knowledge term. Bye.